problem. Okay. Got some weight to them. More than them little silvers. I think it's a small king.
That is a small king. Nice. That's pretty good shape.
Yeah.
Down here silver fishing, and he's got a nice king on. Hatchery too. One of them late runners. B run. Get him caught up in them other fish. Got it. Here, I'll put the camera in. That's a nice fish. Getting a little dark.
Yeah. But she's got eggs in her.
Yep. Nice king. Got to go.